Hey you guys, if you guys like this makeup look, continue to watch this video and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this video and let me know what other looks that you guys would like to see. Hope you enjoy it. So you're going to want to go in with a clean face, of course, and then use a facial moisturizer to moisturize your face. After moisturizing my face in this video, I went in with a hydrating primer and applied it to my face. I like to moisturize my lips prior to getting started. I'm going in with the Black Opal foundation stick. I do not know the shade that I was using, but I did a two-tone. So on the inner portion of my face, I used a lighter color, and then on the outside perimeter of my face, I went in with the Tahoe shade in NARS in their stick foundation, and I used that on the outer portion of my face. Then I went in with my Juvia's Place foundation flat brush and I blended in all of the foundation. I did it in patting motions. As you can see, I didn't swipe or sweep the brush. So I just pressed it in, and then after that I went in with a beauty blender and also patted in the foundation. For concealer, I won't use the medium beige in the e.l.f. Camo 16 Hour concealer. These are great because they're like medium to full coverage, but it's such a nice creamy consistency. You should most definitely try it out. So I put it underneath my eyes, my chin, in my cupid's bow area, and then also I put it on the bridge of my nose and on my forehead. Then I went in with a damp beauty blender and I blended all of the areas out. For cream contouring, I went into my Black Opal foundation stick palette and I got a darker shade and applied it to my cheekbones, around the perimeter of my forehead, but more so focusing on the temple area and then on the sides of my nose. So to blend out the cream contour, I went in and used a Real Technique buffing brush and I nicely tapped in the contour. So just take your time and press it in nicely in all of the areas that the cream contour was applied. This brush that I'm using to blend out the contour on my nose is also a Real Techniques brush. It came in a pack of 3, so you can look at Walmart or your local drugstore for these brushes. And I just liked it because it's like a dense, smaller brush and it helps smooth out everywhere on my nose. So then to clean up the contour, you can always go in with some concealer and just draw out that line beneath the cheekbone where the tragus is, and then nicely you could use a brush or a damp beauty blender and just tap that in. And then afterwards you want to go back in with either the opposite side of the beauty blender or a foundation brush that you use to blend over that so it's not a harsh line. So I just went back in and I added some more concealer underneath my eye, and I used the damp beauty blender to blend out all of the creases. Then afterwards I went in with my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. So I just took this powder and I applied it to all the areas that I concealed. So I like to put it on the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my chin area, around my mouth where my laugh lines are, and then I also apply some underneath the contour to sharpen it and set that area. To set my contour, I use the MAC powder in Give Me Sun, and I put it in all the areas that I cream contoured. So my cheekbones, the sides of my nose, and also my temple area and forehead. So I use my foundation brush to press in the translucent powder. When you use your foundation brush to do this, it just helps melt it in nicely. So for the eyes, since this is an everyday makeup look, I didn't apply any concealer to the lid. So I just went in and picked a nice little natural color and I applied it to my lid. Your eyelids naturally have oils that build up on the skin, so it will help lock in that color. So I did do my brows and lashes off camera. If you like these lashes, they're in the style Sweetie from my business, Anosha's Artistry. The link is provided in the description box if you would like to shop lip glosses, eyelashes, accessories, and clothing. I love these lashes because they're nice and lightweight. They're not too long. They're beautiful everyday lashes that just complete the whole look, and it's really pretty and natural. For my brows, I went in with the Absolute New York Slim Brow Pencil in the shade Smoke, and I did a nice gentle fill-in. When it comes to the blush application that I'm doing right now, I used the Juvia's Place palette, and I went in with that orangey and pink shade and mixed them together and put it on my cheek area and the temple area. So right now I'm just using a setting spray and going back in with my beauty blender to blend out that blush. So after applying highlight and lip liner to my lips, I went in with my Lonnie Pink lip gloss, also from my business. If you do like this lip gloss and would like to purchase it, choose Lonnie Pink in light pink. And it's a beautiful shade. It smells amazing. It's hydrating for your lips, and it's just a perfect everyday pink. After that, I went in with my setting spray again to set my face, and I used my foundation brush to tap that in and dry it. And here's the completed look. I hope you guys love watching this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me how you feel about this look. If you want to see more videos of me doing my own makeup or client makeup tutorials, please let me know. And just let me know in the comments if you like this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it.